So, whenever I used to have an older iPhone, and I still own a ton of them, and whenever I would start to feel like the iPhone is starting to feel outdated or old or anything even remotely close to that, I would do as many speed improvements and speed tweaks that I could do in order to make the device feel much faster and perform way better than even like maybe like a newer iPhone. So, the very first thing, the main thing I could recommend anybody, if you wanted to go ahead and pretty much completely make your iPhone feel like it's a brand new device, no pun intended, is by one, making a complete backup of everything on your device. So by going through, you can make an iCloud backup, you can make a backup straight to your device. You can also, if you want to, click on General. You can just go straight into your bottom down here. You can click Transfer Reset iPhone, and you can go ahead and make a backup of your entire iPhone. I think you only make like two or three of these things, but you can still take advantage of it. Now, the reason why I would recommend making a backup is because personally, whenever I've went ahead and factory resetted all of my iPhones, whichever one it was, whether it was an iPhone 6S or it was like an iPhone 13 or 14, it is unbelievable how much better performing that iPhone is in every single walk of life. So whether it's performance, whether it's app opening speeds, whether it's gameplay, whether it's battery life, I have almost always, even storage sometimes can be fixed. Storage issues per se can be fixed by factory resetting your device. So what it looks like is basically even iPhone storage issues that I've had so many times, all this data down here, like iOS and system data, a lot of this data can be removed by factory resetting your device. Now, again, all of this data is going to be restored. That's why we're making a backup. But in my opinion, the very best thing you can do, from what I understand, is by making a complete backup of your iPhone, backing up all your data, making multiple backups, making sure you don't lose any data, factory resetting your iPhone, then setting up your iPhone again, restoring as much data that you want. In my case, I wouldn't even restore any data. I would just take my photos, send them over sometimes. At least for these iPhones, my personal iPhone, a little bit of a different story. And then I would just go through, use my iPhone as I normally would. And it's not even funny how much better performing the iPhone is after factory resetting that device. So and that is the first thing, especially if you're going through and if you're updating your device, like if you're upgrading to iOS 16, iOS 17, 18, 19, and 20 in the future, whenever you're watching this, by upgrading your device, you are pretty much, they call it like a dirty install, where you just install the latest version of software over the one you're already on. But in my opinion, from everything I've ever done, I've always gotten great success by going through and in fact resetting my phone, setting it up as it normally would, and then pretty much going in that direction. And the iPhone is unbelievably faster than what it normally would have been before. So if you want to do that, that's probably what I would recommend doing in my opinion. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.